Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. What's up, party people in the house? Say yeah! Yeah! I'm Rhonda. I like to say things. I'm super glad to see you here today. I'm trying a lot of new things today, but what I'm going to focus on right now is the new Natasha Denona My Dream Palette. It is $69. It is beautiful. It is literally almost the perfect palette for me. And it even swatches well. Would you like to see some magic swatches? Hang on tight. Bam! All the way up into my watch. And this is all the palette right here. And there's like a little multi-chrome number right there. But look how beautiful that is. Oh, and by the way, I have new hair. I couldn't handle the blue any longer. I wasn't feeling it. I got lots of compliments on it. Thank you guys for loving it. But hopefully you will love this new, more fall kind of do. So, today I tried the Charlotte Tilbury new Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. And it's a very, very pale shade, but I think it works. I think it really brightens my eyes up. And I've got a new lipstick to try, which is Queen of Poisons, which I believe is supposed to be what the Lolita color was before. And this is the new KVD formula that is everlasting and hyper light liquid lipstick. So we're trying that. We're trying a new mascara, which I've tested before, but I like a lot, which is Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara, which is fantastic. And this palette. And oh, for my primer, I use the Ritual de Fille Thorn Oil, which Teresa's Dead goes crazy for. Look how beautiful that is. It's like blood red. And it goes on your skin completely clear, and it's got an intoxicating smell to it, and this is driving me crazy. Much better. And I use that as my primer today, so that's very cool. Let's get into this palette and make a look, shall we? Yes. I love this new haircut so much. Yes, we shall. I'm going to start off with Carpe Diem here. It's beautiful, super pigmented. I'm going to go in. Oh, look at that. It's just right there. I'm going to have to blend that out quite a bit. I don't want it to dominate my look, but she is there. Carpe Diem, if you didn't know, means seize the day. And if you say carpe carp, that means seize the fish. But I'm sure most of you already knew that, because you all are very smart and beautiful and powerful people that watch my channel. So I just know that you already knew. But you know, just to sound a little fancy pants, I thought I would just let you know, just in case there's somebody out there who may not have a lot of Latin knowledge. I think I've explained that enough. I'm going to blend that out up here a little bit more. This is very pigmented. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I'm going to go in with, I don't know. I want to go in with Familia, which is kind of a taupey brown. Just blending that in. And that means family. Familia is Italian for family. Look at me with all my knowledge of languages, living and dead. Living dead girl. I'm completely silly. All right. Now I'm going to go into Risk. It's a shimmer. I've been using matte so far. And it is beautiful. This is such a dark look. I didn't mean to go dark, but I guess I'm inspired by my hair and the fall season. This is looking really powerful and stunning. I'm going to go into Thrill or Vision. Vision is multi-chrome. I'm going to go into Thrill and use my finger and blend it into the middle, into Risk to lighten it up a little bit. That is so pretty. I'm putting just a little more in the center. I'll do the same over here. This is a stunning look. It's so beautiful. I'm loving it. So let me do some liner and mascara. I'll be right back. And voila, we have, look at this eye look. It's just mesmerizing. It is so gorgeous. And it's going to look perfect with, I keep forgetting the name of this, Queen of Poisons. I haven't tried this formula yet. And I was a fan of the old formula. I've got, what is this one? Is this Lolita? No, this one is, what the hell does that say? Anyway, I had another one. I can't read what it is, even with my magnifying glass is so small. But let's try this out. Ooh, mama like. It's very light. That is beautiful. And I ordered these. This came from Ulta and this came from Sephora. So luckily they worked out. So it's a really beautiful look. And I feel glamorous and fantastic. And I hope you've enjoyed me trying out some new things. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we will see you real soon.